Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and more beautiful. Today, we have something special for all the makeup enthusiasts out there: the BEAKEY Soft Makeup Brushes set. If you're a beginner in the world of makeup or even a seasoned pro looking for quality brushes at an affordable price, this is the perfect kit for you.
This 12-piece premium makeup brush set is designed to meet all your cosmetic needs. From loose powder brushes to eyeshadow brushes and contour brushes, this set has got you covered. Plus, it comes with 2 non-latex blender sponges, perfect for achieving that flawless finish. What sets these brushes apart is their soft bristles, which are not only gentle on the skin but also strong enough to resist shedding. This means you can achieve a flawless makeup application every time, without worrying about stray bristles ruining your look. Whether you're applying foundation, BB cream, or powders, these brushes are compatible with a wide range of cosmetics.
And the best part?
They're easy to clean and dry,
ensuring they maintain their shape and performance for a long time. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the quality, softness, and value for money of this brush set. With over 65,000 ratings and an average of 4.4 stars, it's clear that people love the BEAKEY Soft Makeup Brushes set. So there you have it, folks, the best makeup brush kit for beginners available in the market today.
If you're ready to elevate your makeup game, head over to Amazon and grab your BEAKEY Soft Makeup Brushes set now.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and remember to subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products.
Until next time, stay beautiful.